Feeling overwhelmed? Need a reset fast? We all have those moments when stress creeps in and our minds feel scattered. But what if you had simple tools that could bring instant calm in only a couple of minutes? Today, we're adding 3 quick mindfulness practices to your toolkit. These are easy, effective, and always available. No special equipment needed. At the end of this video, you'll have a complete mindfulness toolkit, perfect for tackling stress anytime, anywhere. Welcome to SoulShower Studio, your space for simple, effective mindfulness tools that fit into real life. If you're looking for quick ways to bring more peace into your day, you're in the right place. Last time, we explored deep breathing, grounding, and the pause button. 3 easy ways to reset your mind in the moment. But mindfulness has endless possibilities, and today, we're adding 3 more techniques to round out your toolkit. One of these will shift your mindset in seconds. Another will help you find clarity when you feel overwhelmed. And the last one will release hidden tension you didn't even realize you were holding. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the power of gratitude. Gratitude is more than just a feel-good emotion. It's a practice that can shift your entire perspective, especially on busy or challenging days. When you take a moment to focus on what you're grateful for, you naturally shift your attention away from what's lacking or stressful and toward what's positive and fulfilling in your life. The Grateful Minute is a simple practice that you can do anytime, anywhere. Here's how to do it. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and think of 3 things you're grateful for in that moment. These can be small things, like the warmth of your coffee, the smile of a loved one, or even the fact that you have a moment to pause and breathe. Don't just think about these things. Really feel the gratitude in your body. How does it feel to be grateful for these things? Does it bring a smile to your face? Does it make you feel a little lighter? Allow yourself to fully experience the positive emotions that come with gratitude. Practicing gratitude regularly has been shown to improve mental health, increase resilience, and even enhance relationships. It's a small investment of time with big returns. The next time you're feeling overwhelmed, take a grateful minute to reset your mind and refocus on the positive aspects of your life. You'll be surprised how quickly your mindset shifts. Next, let's look at a tool that promotes inner peace in just a few minutes. The RAIN method is a mindfulness practice designed to help you navigate intense emotions and challenging situations with greater clarity and compassion. The acronym RAIN stands for Recognize, Allow, Investigate, and Nurture. 4 steps that guide you through the process of understanding and soothing your inner experience. Recognize what's happening. Pause and notice the emotions, thoughts, or sensations present in the moment. This acknowledgement brings awareness to your current experience. Allow the experience to be there just as it is. Instead of resisting or avoiding discomfort, permit yourself to feel your emotions fully. This acceptance can reduce internal conflict and pave the way for healing. Investigate with interest and care. Explore your feelings with curiosity. Ask yourself questions like, why do I feel this way? Or, what does this emotion need from me? This step fosters deeper self-understanding. Nurture with self-compassion. Offer yourself kindness and reassurance. This could involve comforting self-talk or a gentle gesture, like placing a hand over your heart. Nurturing transforms mindfulness into a healing practice. The RAIN method is particularly useful during moments of emotional overwhelm, stress, or self-criticism. By guiding you to face your emotions directly, it helps break cycles of reactivity and promotes inner peace. Regular practice of RAIN can lead to greater emotional resilience and self-compassion, enhancing your overall well-being. Finally, let me introduce you to mindful stretching, a simple yet effective way to release tension and bring a sense of relaxation to both body and mind. This exercise encourages movement of the body. The beauty of this practice is that it doesn't require any special equipment or a lot of time, just a few minutes and a bit of space. Here is what you do. Start by standing up and reaching your arms above your head, stretching as high as you can. Imagine you're trying to touch the ceiling. As you stretch, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold this position for a few seconds, and then as you exhale, slowly lower your arms and allow your body to bend forward, letting your arms hang loosely toward the ground. This forward fold is a great way to relieve tension in your back, shoulders, and neck, areas that often carry the most stress. As you hang in this position, take a few deep breaths and try to release any lingering tension with each exhale. Pay attention to how your body feels in this stretch. Notice any tightness and allow it to soften with each breath. After a few breaths, slowly roll your body back up to a standing position, one vertebra at a time. If you have more time, you can explore other simple stretches like side bends or shoulder rolls. The key here is mindfulness, moving with awareness and paying attention to the sensations in your body. By incorporating mindful stretching into your day, you not only release physical tension, but also give your mind a chance to reset. This practice can be particularly helpful during long periods of sitting, like when you're working at a desk or traveling. A quick stretch can help you feel more energized and focused. So let's recap the 3 new techniques. The Grateful Minute. Boost your mood fast by focusing on what's good. The Rain Method. Calm down instantly and promote inner peace. Mindful Stretching. Release hidden tension and bring instant relaxation. And remember, these build on the 3 techniques from our last video. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, make sure to check it out. It's linked in the description below and on screen. Which of these will resonate with you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear how it works for you. For more simple mindfulness tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching. This is SoulShower Studio, where we explore mindfulness, holistic well-being, and ways to nourish your soul, one drop at a time. See you next time.